Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and I want to show you how to lubricate your drive shafts. If you need any parts, check us out, 1aauto.com. Thanks. So to grease the drive shafts, you're going to notice you have a grease fitting on this U-joint. There should be one feeling around up here, right there. One right here, one right inside here. Okay, so 3 on the forward drive shaft. And then if you come to the rear, you're gonna notice there's one facing up there. So we'll have to put this in neutral so I can get to it. There's gonna be one right here. Okay, so one right there, one right here. And on the rear drive shaft, you just feel around. You'll feel there's a grease fitting right here. And then one right here. Okay, so you've got one for the U-joint, and then one for this part right here. And then if you feel around up here, right up in there. Okay? So let's try greasing them where they're at and see if it works. Sometimes you have to put the vehicle in neutral and line up the U-joints and whatnot so you can get to them easier. That's pretty good. All right, so let's get our grease gun up on there. Give that a few pumps. Get this one right in there. Awesome, got one right there. That off of there. We're gonna get the one right inside there. Awesome. Last one should be right up here, the front U-joint. Awesome. Cool. So we have 6 grease fittings, 3 for the front drive shaft and 3 for the rear drive shaft. We know those are all greased up.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.